In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Trello password. Trello is part of the Atlassian family, which means your Trello password is the same password you use for other Atlassian products. We'll update it from your account settings so the change applies everywhere. Start by signing into Trello and heading to your boards page. In the top right corner, click your profile icon. This opens a small menu with quick options. Choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings inside Trello. From here, look for the link that says Manage or Delete Your Atlassian Account. Selecting this opens your Atlassian account in a new tab. Don't worry, you're still signed in. Atlassian just handles security settings in one central place. On the Atlassian account page, go to the Security section. This is where you manage your password and other protections like two-step verification. Find the password area to begin the update. First, enter your current password. This confirms it's really you making the change. Then, type your new password. Pick something strong and unique. Ideally a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. A password manager can generate a long, random password and remember it for you, which is great for security and convenience. When your new password is ready, click Save Changes. Atlassian may briefly verify your identity, and then you'll see a confirmation that your password was updated successfully. From this point forward, use the new password to sign into Trello and any other Atlassian products you use. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. If you're using Trello on your phone or desktop app, you might be asked to sign in again with the new password. If your browser saved your old password, update it so you don't get stuck with outdated credentials. If your organization uses single sign-on with a provider like Google or Microsoft, the password option may be managed by your company or identity provider rather than Atlassian. In that case, follow your organization's process to change it. And if you have two-step verification turned on, keep your authentication method handy because you may be prompted after saving the new password. That's it. Your Trello password is now updated through your Atlassian account. Thanks for watching and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step while you make the change.